Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about JONSBO BO400 mid-tower computer case. So friends, JONSBO has introduced the BO400 mid-tower computer case built with 3 tempered glass panels. The case includes tempered glass on the front, top and left side, and the top panel can be replaced with a mesh panel to improve airflow, and the case support up to 10 cooling fan including 120 mm and 140 mm size located on the top, bottom and motherboard side and rear, and it also allows for installation of water cooling radiator up to 360 mm on the top, bottom and motherboard areas, and providing extensive cooling option inside. The case feature a dual chamber design that separates storage drives from the power supply unit, and it has two 3.5-inch bays and two 2.5-inch bays for drives, and along with 8 expansion slot in the case can accommodate graphics card up to 435 mm in long, CPU cooler up to 173 mm in height, and power supply up to 200 mm in deep, and standard VGA holder is included to support heavy graphics card, ensuring stability and flexibility for high performance component. In the case compatible with various motherboard size including ATX, micro ATX and mini ATX, and the front IO panel include one USB 3.2 Generation 2 Type-C port, two USB 3.2 Generation 1 Type-A port, and audio input and output connection. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.